Hey, I need everyone's help in making a decision. I mean, I don't have a whole bunch of viewers, but I do have some viewers that seem to check back in and look at my content. I have been wanting for months to kind of look at some aftermarket wheels, but I really, really like my factory wheels that came on the car, but the finish on them is kind of delicate, and also too they're 8.5-inch wheels, and I need to really consider going up to 9.5, but even better than that, 10-inch width wheels for at least my rears, and stay with 8.5-inch up front, but entails getting new wheels. And so I'm looking at these pretty, not super expensive wheels, and there's three that I really like, three that I can put up with. And so I just want people's opinions on which one they think looks the best. Remember that I am 50 years old, and that I'm not a young teenager or a young 20-year-old. So, be kind with my picks, but just let me know below which ones out of these three that you think that look the best on this white car, and I appreciate it, and I'll check them out. And thanks again, and everyone have a good night and a good evening. Bye-bye.